Alright. So we get some new chairs. We get a new table coming in tomorrow. Quick little tip. When you're putting these screws in, I know when we put that one in, a couple other chairs that we did too, we found just sporadic little screws on the bottom of the tables or under the chairs because you're sitting down, they're coming loose. You want to get this thread locker. It's like Loctite, but you want to get this one L222, and it's for these M12. These are 12 by 20s, but you just want to put a little drop. And this is low strength, so if you gotta ever take them apart for some reason, but you just want to put barely a little tiny drop on it. You don't want to overdo it too much. Just a little tiny guy. Put it on in there. And this for sure is going to help you with not losing your screws. So I put these on together yesterday. I just put only 2 of these screws in a while so that I could redo them today with the Loctite. I just got here today through Amazon. Good old Amazon. Again, just a little tiny drop. And if you get too much, you can always just get the next one, put it underneath it, and just share with it. But I don't know if it wasn't too bad.
Could I join? I got this. Could I join? Could I join?
That's my son in the background playing VR.
Whoa! Yo, who wants to kill the new Wendigo boss? Who wants to go kill the new Wendigo boss? Yeah, yeah.
Just put a little bit more on that one.
No, I haven't.
You just want to hurry up and at least thread them in and then come back
Oh,
and
you should go. You want to go
give them.
this?
And with these,